Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and we are going to be on this Peugeot 208 diagnosing a fault code of P1339. I've just got on the diagnostics there, and in some cars this may be a crankshaft position indicator. I mean, it could be, but what we're going to do is on the Peugeot, it's misfire and cylinder free. So what we're going to do first, we're going to pop the bonnet, and we're going to swap the coil, two of the coils over, and see if the fault changes. Here's the cylinder order: 1, 2, and 3. 3 by the flywheel and 1 by the wet belt system. Firstly, then you're going to remove 2 of these 8mm bolts. They're not on tight. And then you're just going to remove the electrical connectors like so. Just pull out the orange tog, push that little button in, and then it should sort of wiggle out like so. Move the 8mm bolts on top of the coils. I have to turn them ever so slightly and then just pull directly upwards. We're just swapping the coils at this point. We're not going to do the sparks because that will be the next stage of the diagnosis if the fault doesn't follow the coils. So to swap them over, all you're going to do is just push them back in. Make sure that the eyelet is in line with the threads. Connect the electrical connectors and then put the 8mm bolts in. So I've just ran the diagnostics tool on the car and the fault has gone. Now that is odd. What should have happened is it should have either followed the fault or stayed where it was, which would have indicated maybe fuel injected to that one or potentially the spark plugs. But the reason we do the calls first is to alleviate that. Now I'm not saying this fault's not going to come back on, and if it does come back on, we need to check the codes, make sure that the codes don't if they do follow, then obviously we can just change the coils. If they don't, then we'll swap spark plugs over, and if that doesn't do it, then we're going to check. So thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and check out my online shop. That would be much appreciated. If you've got any questions, please put them in the comment section, and if I don't answer, then message the Triumph Guy Facebook page. See you on the next one.